तो हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो इस वीडियो में हम एसएससी सीजीएल 2026 के लिए जीके मॉक टेस्ट 9 देखेंगे। जो लोग अभी तक बाकी मॉक टेस्ट नहीं देखा है तो प्लेलिस्ट में जाके ज़रूर देखना, और इसका पीडीएफ आप लोगों को टेलीग्राम चैनल पे मिल जाएगा। और चैनल में नए हो तो ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कर देना, ठीक है। तो स्टार्ट करें। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच सिख फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट्स द बर्थ ऑफ गुरु नानक द फाउंडर ऑफ सिखिज्म विथ प्रेयर्स एंड प्रोसेशंस? ऑप्शन नंबर ए, गुरुपुरब द गुरुज एनिवर्सरी। Question number 2. The Sundarbans mangrove forest, home to the Royal Bengal tiger, are mainly found in which of the following Indian states? Option number A is the right answer, West Bengal. 3. Which of the following is not a mode of communication? Cellular phones, pipeline, telecommunication, electronic mail. Option number B, pipeline. Question number 4. Which of the following is the role of the adrenal gland in the human body's endocrine system? Option number B, secreting adrenaline in response to stress. Question number 5. The Supreme Court held that noise pollution violates the constitutional guarantee of the right to life and peaceful living, clarifying that the use of loudspeakers is not a fundamental right. This protection is derived from which article of the Indian Constitution? Option number B, Article 21. Question number 6. Which of the following is not a criteria for granting classical language status in India? Which of the following is not a criteria for granting classical language status in India? Option number D, widespread modern usage across the world. 7. Which of the following rivers is a right bank tributary of the Ganga originating from the Amarkantak Plateau? Option number D, Son. Question number 8. Which body has the final authority to decide if restrictions on fundamental rights are reasonable? Option number C, Judiciary. Question number 9. In India, the Community Development Program was started in which of the following years? Option number D, 1952. Question number 10. The statue of Gamteshwar is located in which state of India? Option number C, Karnataka. Question number 11. In the human nervous system, which of the following is the function of neurotransmitters? Option number B is the right answer, transmitting signals between neurons. 12. The disease caused by vitamin D deficiency is dash. Option number B, rickets. 13. Carbohydrates in plants remains as the internal energy reserve to be used as and when required by the plant in the form of dash. Option number C, starch. 14. What was the total initial financial allocation made to the Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways in the Union Budget of India for the year 2024-25? Option number A, 2377.49 crore. Question number 15. As fungi do not contain chloroplast like algae, they cannot carry out the function of dash. Option number C is the right answer, photosynthesis. 16. The Goa Carnival has its roots in which colonial era? Option number D, Portuguese. 17. The Chapchakut festival is celebrated in which of the following states in Northeast India? Option number D, Mizoram. Question number 18. As per census 2011, which of the following states has the highest percentage of the Christian population out of the total population of the state? Option number B, Nagaland. 19. Which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution deals with the procedure for impeachment of the President of India? Option number D, Article 61. 20. 0 hour in the Parliament begins immediately after which period? Option number C, question hour. 21. Which of the following best reflects the ideological shift during the extremist phase 1905 to 1919 in India? Option number A, from faith in British reforms to belief in people's power. 22. In July 2025, researchers from the Indian Institute of Technology, Guwahati, developed a sustainable alternative to plastics by fusing which bamboo species with biodegradable polymers? Option number A, Bambusa tulda. 23. What was the immediate cause of the revolt of 1857? Option number A, use of greased cartridges in Enfield rifles. 24. Who among the following was appointed as the chairperson of the Securities and Exchange Board of India SEBI in March 2025? Option number D, Tuhin Kanta Pandey. 25. The Governor General of India who earned the epithet of clemency was dash. Option number B, Lord Canning. 26. How many total classical languages are there in India after the updation in 2024? Option number A, 11. 27. When was the Jal Jeevan Mission launched to provide safe and ample drinking water to all rural households? Jal Jeevan Mission. Option number A, 2019. 28. Who among the following was elected as the President of Indian National Congress in 1917? Option number A, Annie Besant. 29. According to the Economic Survey of India 2024-25, which of the following states of India is the largest producer of groundnuts in India? Groundnuts in India. Largest producer of groundnuts. Option number A, Gujarat. Study which major international sporting event officially commenced in New Delhi in September 2025? Option number C, World Para Athletics Championship 2025. 31. Which of the following is included in GDP at market prices but excluded in GDP at factor cost? Option number D, indirect taxes. 32. Who among the following established the Servants of India Society in 1905? Option number A, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Question number 33. Who inaugurated and addressed the participants at the annual Sports Week 2026 at the Commonwealth Games Sports Complex in Delhi? Very important question. Option number A, Sri Ganesh Kumar. 34. Who clinched the gold medal in the men's 10-meter air rifle final at the 68th National Shooting Championship in 2025? Option number C, Kiran Ankush Yadav. 35. The cost of producing one additional unit of output is called a dash. The cost of producing one additional unit of output is called dash. Option number C, marginal cost. 36. In May 2025, who won bronze medals for India in the individual recurve events at the Archery World Cup Stage 2 in Shanghai? Option number D, Deepika Kumari and Parth Salunke. 37. Which of the following is not an intended outcome of Indian Railways electrification vision? Option number D, increased diesel engine usage. 38. According to the Economic Survey of India 2024-25, which of the following states of India is the largest producer of sunflower in India? Option number C, Karnataka. 39. GST rationalization discussions in 2025 sought to merge slabs primarily to improve which of the following indicators? Option number D, ease of doing business. 40. India's first ever indigenously manufactured polar research vessel PRV is being developed through a strategic partnership between which entities? Option number C, Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited and Norway's Kongsberg. So that's all for today, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Also you can get PDF from my Telegram channel, the link in the description. Alright, keep watching, keep learning. See you in the next video. Thank you.